The reason that I sell SP products to my customers because when they are in the salon and they see the result, they say, oh my God, I want that at home.
I chose to use the SP range in my salon, not only because it's salon exclusive, but because I can personalize the product line as well with the new Alchemy range. It gives its endless possibilities.
The SP Master Program is very important because we can educate people more in program of SP, but bring them up to a higher level.
The thing that I love most about SP is that it gives me everything I want for my clients.
What I love about SP is it gives me the possibility to offer a wide range of services to my clients.
The new SP helps me and my team to recommend the right products for my client, and that's grow my business.
I love to work with SP products because it's the best that I can offer.
For me, SP, it delivers what it promises.